In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay an image carousel in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to add a dynamic and eye-catching image display on your website, this is the perfect guide for you. We'll be exploring the steps to set up a seamless, automatic image carousel that can enhance the visual appeal of your site and engage your visitors in an interactive way. First, let's start with choosing the right plugin. WordPress offers a variety of plugins designed specifically for image carousels. Popular options include Slider Revolution, Smart Slider 3, and Meta Slider. Each plugin has its own unique features and usability, so it's essential to decide which one best meets your needs. For today's demonstration, we'll use Meta Slider because of its straightforward interface and impressive functionality. After you've decided on Meta Slider, go ahead and install it. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Meta Slider, and it should come up as one of the first options. Click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see a new menu item labeled Meta Slider on your dashboard. Click on the Meta Slider menu to open it. You'll be directed to a window where you can create a new slideshow. Start by clicking the Add Slide button. Here, you can upload images from your media library or add entirely new images from your computer. When selecting images, try to maintain a consistent size for each to ensure a smooth transition between slides. This consistency aids in making the carousel look professional and avoids awkward cropping or resizing during the slide changes. Once your images are uploaded and selected, look to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find a few settings crucial for autoplay functionality. First, enable the autoplay option. This setting is what allows your carousel to automatically transition between images without any user input. Next, consider the speed setting, which controls how quickly the slides transition. Find a balanced speed that gives viewers enough time to absorb the content without feeling rushed. Typically, a speed between 3 to 5 seconds per slide is ideal for most scenarios. Also, ensure the loop setting is turned on, allowing the carousel to restart from the beginning once it reaches the last slide. This loop ensures the slideshow continually displays images, keeping your web page dynamic at all times. Finally, when satisfied with your settings, hit Save. The last step is to incorporate your newly created carousel into the desired web page. To do that, Meta Slider provides a shortcode located within your slideshow settings. Copy this shortcode, then navigate to the page or post where you want your image carousel to appear. Paste the shortcode into the content editor. If you're using the WordPress block editor, simply add a shortcode block and paste it there. Preview your page to ensure everything looks great, and if needed, adjust your settings back in the Meta Slider plugin to perfect the functionality and appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully created an autoplay image carousel on your WordPress site, enhancing both its aesthetics and user engagement. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with various images and settings to make your site truly unique. Happy creating!